Yes, it is true. First it was Galaxy S23 Ultra and now the Galaxy S23 Plus spotted online. And oh man, a lot of improvements we are going to get on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and other two models including the S23 and S23 Plus. So hold your seats tight because we are about to talk about Snapdragon Gen 2 numbers. The US variant of Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus spotted online, showing what we are going to get in the S23 Plus and also Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Geekbench scores with the model number SMS916U spotted in the Geekbench database, running Android 13 and One UI 5.0 with the 8GB of RAM. But the things we should notice is the number are massive improvements from last year, where the single core score is 1485 and 4844 multi-core score. Isn't it impressive? Also, if we talk about Galaxy S23 Ultra, we get a quite similar score, 1521 single core score and 4689 multi-core score, less than Galaxy S23 Plus. But these phones are pre-production units, which means the retail version will have much improved performance because benchmarks are not the best way to put the final verdict. The new optimization with the One UI 5.0 will also make a significant impact on the Galaxy S23 Ultra's performance. Look, I'm just seeing 90% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed, so subscribe right now for more updates. If you think things are stopped here, then you guys might be wrong. Everyone talks about the Snapdragon Gen 2 processor, but what about the Exynos 2300? Do you guys want the Exynos 2300 and S23 Ultra? For me, hell no. And here come the good news for you. As per Ice Universe says, we haven't seen the detailed specs of the Exynos 2300, which means, although it means that there will be only one processor in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and that will be Snapdragon Gen 2. Now why you guys should be excited about the Snapdragon Gen 2? Because it's going to be the time where Android phones will beat iPhones in raw performance. Yes, 11% faster GPU than A16 Bionic chipset, and also Snapdragon Gen 2 will going to be out on November 15. If you're concerned about the Galaxy S23 Ultra battery, then you guys shouldn't be worried about anymore because the new features it will have give you a better battery backup. First, Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a better optimized processor which will have less power consumption, but Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a light performance mode. Not just that, your display refresh rate will not be affected by this mode. A great feature to have, although this feature was first introduced on Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is quite effective. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is so close to the launch. Like yesterday I talked about where the BIS certification was done with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As per recent rumors, we may see Galaxy S23 Ultra somewhere near 23rd December and the phone will hit the market on January 5th, a lot earlier than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you want to see the first sample image of Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera, then you guys should check this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.